gonna just sit there in the sunny shiny. Taking care of our house. Yes, you are. Did you enjoy that lovely meat? You did enjoy it. And this is the cat, ladies and gentlemen, who I was told was a vicious cat. This is the sweetest, most beautiful, most gentle cat I've ever seen, with the beautiful 4 white paws and a white handkerchief. And he or she has been coming around for about 18 months. And there ain't nothing vicious about this cat. If anything, he's not used to human contact. And he's afraid. And if anything, the local cats in the hood, i.e. in this house, are jealous of him. Jealous of him. And or scared of him. Yeah, the birdies are saying. The birdies are saying that right. That's right. The birdies are saying, don't be listening to gossip. Don't be listening to gossip and lies about people. If somebody's talking about somebody else and they're not in the room, then that is gossip. End of story. Unless it's something positive and beautiful or neutral. But if it's something with a sly undertone of sniggering or wink wink, look what he did. Did you hear what he did? Look at him now. It's gossip. Stay away from it. Because you're involved. If you're listening and not walking out of the room, you're involved. Do not gossip about people. Hello, little kitty. Don't you worry about it, darling. Don't you worry about it. It's just a lorry going by. We'll just let the little lorry go by. Tractor! Yay! A beautiful tractor! Slanning is Ursula. Bye for now, beautiful little kitty and beautiful people who are listening. And that was it for today. That was the rant of the day. Oh my, goody, 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 goody. Take off your shoes, people. Take off your shoesies. And stay on the bright side of the light. Good, 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 good. Even the birdies agree.